Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming the socket is a 12V, 20A circuit. Visually inspect the cigar lighter socket for debris, corrosion, or a loose center contact that prevents connection. Check the 15A or 20A cigar fuse in the underdash fuse box. Consult the owner manual for exact location and fuse ratings. Measure continuity with a multimeter set to DC volts and resistance. Probe the center pin and outer shell. Back probe the harness for 12.0V battery voltage with ignition on, and remove the trim bezel by gently prying with a plastic panel tool to avoid cracking the dash. Depress release tabs, then pull the lighter assembly straight out and unplug its wiring harness by squeezing the connector tab. Visually inspect the socket inner contacts for deformation or burning. If present, replacement is recommended. Test the socket for 12V with the multimeter at the back of the socket while a test load is applied. A healthy socket will hold near 12.0V under a 1A to 3A load. Replace the socket with a direct fit Ford Fiesta 12V replacement or a universal 3.5 cm depth socket if the contacts or housing are damaged. Secure the replacement into the bezel, reconnect the wiring harness, and ensure grounding is correct. Use dielectric grease on contacts if corrosion was present. Reinstall the 20A or 15A fuse specified by the owner manual, then restore power. Verify operation by testing with a phone charger and checking for secure fit and heat after 5 minutes. Confirm no abnormal voltage drop and that accessories draw power normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.